Okay, last launch of the day. Payloader 1 has an altimeter with a D16-6. It's going to go extremely high. It's got a long streamer. It's going to be a very long walk to go get this one, but looking forward to see what kind of height they can get. Whoa! Didn't look good. Not clear what happened. We got about 20 feet off the pad. Yeah, the engine was chuffing, as people were saying. I think that the wind is pulling back and forth on the igniter. It probably pulled the igniter out a little bit, and it didn't ignite properly. Otherwise, this would have been a great flight. Got a fin here. Looks like the fin broke off too, so this whole launch was pretty much sucked. For a little follow-up on what happened on that last flight, I have two different engines of composite type, the D16-4 and the D16-6. The D16-4s is what I used in the Big Bertha. Both of those ignited and had a perfect flight. The D16-6 is what I used on the second one, which had the payload with the altimeter. That's the one that did the chuffing and it spun around in circles. Let's take a look at this though. We see the engine on the left is the one that spun around in circles. We can see that the nozzle is damaged. It's basically carved out on one side. On the right, we have the nozzle of the engine that worked just fine. So it's fairly obvious that with the nozzle being damaged like this, it would start spinning. It's unclear if the nozzle was damaged from some kind of a packaging issue, or if maybe the propellant lit unevenly and it burned on one side but not the other, and it just blew the side of the nozzle out. So anyways, it's pretty easy to see there's a distinct difference between the two of the successful flight on the right and the spiraling, chuffing, bad ignition one on the left. Not really sure what's going on here, but I have seen this happen to other people, so this is not an isolated incident.